really sorry for leaving y'all on red.
To you, I don't know what to say, but I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away. Milwaukee margaritas, I didn't know that was a thing. Carry me home, or marry me now, I promise you everything. Chanel in every city, simply talk that. Whoa, whoa, filthy mouth, filthy lips, but my teeth burn. Oh, I know, Bible scriptures on your left eye, verses you don't really live by. All she do is work, fuck, Uber Eats and get high. Never will I fly in clothes, babe. Never will I fly in clothes, babe. Spend your summers on a road, babe. I'm a vocal coach for your throat, babe. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. All I hear is yes, yeah. All I hear is yes, yeah. Yes, it is. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. All I hear is yes, yeah. All I hear is yes, yeah. Yes, it is. My ears are sensitive. So when I ask you, is it mine? All you ever say is yes, it is. Every day come feeling walking across a tightrope. Bruises on the heart from jumping off roads. Gone for the weekend, yeah, that wasn't planned at first. Left on the first and it's already the 31st, yeah. Young, wild and free, I can't blame her. Young, wild and pretty in Miami, I can't tame her. She a Virgo, so I can't explain her. Tell me, yeah. All I hear is yes, yeah, yeah. All I hear is yes, yeah. Yes, it is. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. All I hear is yes, yeah, yeah. All I hear is yes, yeah. Yes, it is. My ears are sensitive. So when I ask you, is it mine? All you ever say is yes, it is. My ears are sensitive. When I ask you, is it mine? Ask you, is it mine? Just say yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Come get yes. Y'all, I gotta fix the leave out part, but I just want y'all to know that this is the reason why y'all haven't been getting any content. See how big she got? Remember when she was just a little puppy? Look at her. This is the reason why y'all haven't been getting any content. This is the reason why y'all haven't been getting any content. She is a mess. She is a miniature. What do I want to call you? A little piranha. All she does is bite me, attack me. I'm supposed to be getting her into puppy school. Ooh, but we're working on that. She's 4 months. She's huge now, as you can see. My poodle. Tomorrow she's going to get a haircut. Her first girl. What is it called, Doja? What is it called? Groom. She's going to get her first groom tomorrow. Praise the Lord, because she is so like overgrown, and when I brush her out she looks even more bigger than what she is. But she's actually kind of small. She's like 10 pounds now. She's gonna get bigger. What you crying for? Probably gotta use the bathroom. I don't know. You better not pee on me. Come on. So, yeah, this is the reason why y'all haven't been getting any vlogs. I've really been struggling. I'm not gonna lie. Not with just her, but just really trying to find the balance, because she takes up all of my time. Okay, come on. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick, just to talk to y'all before I go to bed, and just have, excuse the hair, I gotta finish it, just to have like a transparent moment with y'all. So first I want to start off by saying I know and I knew what I was getting myself into when I, had the decision. Well, when I knew what I was getting myself into. I knew and I know what I was getting myself into when I made the decision or had the thought that I wanted a dog. But, so I'm very much aware and I'm not complaining. But I gotta say, since I've had my dog, I have not been able to do anything that I want to do or used to do before I had her. And it just kind of put things into like perspective. Like, the first thing I thought of was how like new moms or parents in general must feel like whenever they have a baby, or just, they have kids and they can't really do the things they used to do, or they don't really, it's hard kind of getting back to themselves and things they used to do. And that just makes me so sad, because with a dog you can somewhat kind of like, get them in training and get things, you can kind of fix certain things, and dogs aren't permanent. But with a child, once you have a kid, like, the kid is here. You can't say, oh, I don't want a kid anymore. Like, I have to. You don't have a choice. You don't get to say, well, in some cases, some moms or dads, because there's some single dads, they don't get to say, oh, I want a break. Like, that isn't an option for everybody. And me being in this situation, having a dog, because I've had other pets in the past, but a dog is literally like child. I feel like I have a newborn baby. And I'm struggling. Like I have not, and like all my OG supporters, the people that's been here, y'all know last year I was on 10. Like I was posting once a week consistently for like a whole year. And now I haven't done that. And it's just making me so sad because I'm like, I want to get back to that. But I work Monday through Friday, 40 hours a week. I'm exhausted. I'm up from 6 a.m. to 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. Like, I don't know what to do. So, this is me being transparent. I'm just going to try to have to balance it and find balance and try to, because I love my dog, but I'm exhausted. So, if y'all have any advice or recommendations, DM me or comment below. I mean, everybody says it gets better. Like, they say the puppy stage is no joke, but, which I knew, but I wouldn't say that I'm having problems with the puppy stage. I'm just having issues with balancing my personal life with her. Like, I don't know, and working a full-time job. So yeah, that's just what's on my mind. I'm about to go to bed because I have to wake up. I'm off tomorrow, but tomorrow is her first groom appointment, like I said earlier. So I have to wake up at like 7 because the place I take her to requires that you drop your pet off like stupid early in the morning. So tomorrow will be kind of like a break for me because she'll be there for a very long time. So I'll kind of get a little like me time. I mean, the only time I get me time is when I'm at work. But as soon as I come home, it's all, puppy. And like this whole time that I was like filming, trying to put this quick weave in, she was barking. Well, not barking, whining the entire time, which isn't like her. She's pretty much crate trained, and like I've been crate training her since day one, but today was just one of those days. And I just feel like I'm rambling at this point, so I'm about to call it a night. I will pick up the camera again in the morning. And look at the time. It's 12 o'clock in the morning, per usual. Alright guys, so I am back at the house. I'm about to try to do something to this, to this head. I'm taking out my hair. Me and my mom are about to go get some lunch. And then I have to drop a birthday gift off to my coworker. So I'm gonna stop past my old location that I was working at to drop that off.
Thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me.
exposure.
I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. But we both know that deep down the feeling's still.
So I'm at Cooper's Hall. I think I'm gonna get the steak and the filet mignon and with broccoli and mashed potatoes. Yeah, I'm not gonna get an appetizer because I didn't see anything that was good. So, yeah. Yeah, this looks different.
Girl, we pick his nose up for the damn boomer. My baby got some purple barrettes in her hair. Girl. Hey, Tiki. She got it.
The lady said she's not gonna look perfect. I'm like, she looked perfect to me. She said she was a little feisty.
I bet she was bad.
Hey, Doja!
Doja! Hey, Doja!
You eating your food, girl?
I know she got a peek.
Go potty. Y'all, she loved to watch cars. And by the way, this is, there she go. That is real grass, so she's not peeing and using the bathroom on our patio. That's actual real grass. The grass is just dead, so I have to order a new one. But yeah, sometimes when I'm pressed for time, it's convenient for her to use it on the grass upstairs. It's the same as the grass that's outside on the ground, but it's just a little smaller patch. So if you're interested, you can order one from freshpatch.com. Yeah. Say hi. Hey you guys, so I'm currently going inside Harris Teeter right now because allegedly there's supposed to be a Starbucks in here. So we shall see. I just have a caramel frap with extra caramel drizzle.
We don't carry bagels.
Okay. Yes. Alright, thank you. You too. Okay, I got my coffee, but y'all know when I get in the car, I got something to say. So, for one, it's 7:47. So I just left out of the Harris Teeter. They did have a Starbucks, clearly, but I would never ever say never, but I don't think I would go. I didn't like this location. Like I'm going to talk about all this in the life update, but I'm working at a new location preparing to go to another location. So I had to Google what Starbucks was over here locally. What Starbucks was over here locally, because I don't, you know, I'm new working over here. So of course, this is the only Starbucks that was close enough to where I'm working, which really ain't that close. Cause I gotta be to work at 8, so I'm pushing it, coming way over here. So, yeah. So for one, I went in, and it was an older Caucasian lady, and then there was a younger black lady, and they seemed like they kind of had some tension and beef with each other, so that was kind of awkward. And then I ordered just a caramel frap, because I don't know, like, I don't trust everybody to make my specialty coffees, and they didn't really seem that experienced either. I don't know. So I was just like, let me just get a frap. I mean, that's easy. So the older lady took my order, and once I ordered the frap, I was like, can I get a regular bagel with cream cheese? And she was like, we don't carry bagels at this location. And I'm like, so that kind of annoyed me, because I'm like, why don't y'all carry bagels? It's Starbucks. And maybe it's because they're inside Harris Teeter, I don't know, but that's weird. They had everything else though. Every other sandwich you could think of that Starbucks normally carry, every cake pop, every lemon slice cake, and literally everything else, just don't carry bagels. Like, I would much rather have y'all carry bagels than freaking all those cake pops that are nasty. So yeah, that was that. And then the girl that was making my drink, she finished making the drink or whatever, and she was like, do you want whipped cream? Of course I want whipped cream. Like, it's not a frappe without whipped cream. Granted, I know some people do drink their they do get fraps and drinks without cold foam or whipped cream. I get it. Some people don't like it, but girl, I don't know, maybe I'm just doing too much this morning. Maybe, but I don't know. I'm like, I don't know. I mean, like I said, I know that, but I don't know anybody that would want a frappe without whipped cream. Just saying. But, so I do want to talk to y'all. So remember how yesterday I was telling y'all, like, I'm just having a hard time. I haven't been able to vlog or work up the strength to vlog. And yesterday I had some time to, like, think and just, like, kind of brainstorm and get things together. So I feel like I'm thinking too much on everything, and it's just not that serious. So I'm going to put the effort together. I'm going to put the effort in to make sure I'm vlogging and doing what I need to do, because at the same time, although I feel that way, I still feel like there's no excuse, and I don't and do not like making excuses for myself. Like, no, I feel like if you aren't trying, then, like, what are you doing? And I feel like lately I have not been actually trying. Like, I can sit back and say it's hard, I'm tired, I haven't had the time, but have you tried? Have you tried to put in the effort to at least try to do it? And I feel like I've tried a little bit, but I'm not putting my full potential into it. So I'm making that effort to make that change today. So I've been vlogging all yesterday. And I have been vlogging, like, don't get me wrong. Some of the footage, like last week I tried to start a vlog and it was trash. Like, once I went to try to edit some of the footage that I had, I didn't like it. Because y'all know I don't put out just anything. I'm not going to just put out anything. I'm just not. So I have been trying, but I just haven't been liking what I've been doing. So, like I said, I'm trying to make an effort to change and to get back into the swing of things. Because I cannot let anybody, any dog, consume me and not, you know, put myself first. I gotta put me first, Lucius. So, I love my little doggy, but I gotta make time for me too. But I hope y'all get what I'm saying. So, yeah. I'm about to make a turn into the parking lot, so yeah, I will talk. I forgot to bring lunch today. That means I have to buy something. Great. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all on my lunch break. Hey y'all, so it is much later. It is currently 6:38. I'm sitting outside of PetSmart and I'm about to go in here because I have to get more dog food for Doja. So yeah, let's go. Camera is about to go dead because I didn't charge it last night. The last bit of footage y'all saw was me at the pet store, but I came home, took a shower, and I literally fell asleep, so sorry. But yeah, I'm getting some Starbucks. I brought my lunch today. I love these little pot roast things. I have some chips. Y'all, my camera definitely turned off while I was in the middle of recording, but in case that footage got deleted because it turned off, I'm at work now. I went and got a frap, and I'm about to go in. This is my lunch. I brought my lunch today. Pot roast, noodles, chips, and I have a Jell-O cup. Hey you guys, so as you can see, it's Doja and I. Doja, say hi to the vlog. With your eye boogers that I have to clean. Yeah. So we'll probably take a couple laps around the park and let her play. And then that's that. I wanted to do this like much earlier. I wanted to get out maybe like 7 this morning, but it was too cold, so I wanted to let the sun come out. So right now it's like 64. So it's a little bit warmer. So yeah, we got her treats, we got her water. Not yet. And yeah, we are on our way to Virginia Beach, Mount Trashmore, and then on the way back we'll probably stop to see Uncle Chance if they are home. So yeah, just wanted to check in with y'all and say good morning because I haven't picked up the camera in a couple days. I think the last footage y'all been seeing is me going to work. So yeah, just wanted to check in with y'all to let y'all know what we were doing, and I'll pick the camera back up once we get to the park. Okay guys, so we made it to the park. And Doja is already acting crazy, but as soon as I got here, this couple walked up to me and was like, curious about the dog. And then they asked if they could share like a Bible verse with me. And I thought it was interesting because the Bible verse that they um, said or stated to me was um, it matched what was like currently like happening right now in my life. So I thought that was very interesting, and I really appreciated that. And then we saw another poodle. This poodle was a standard poodle. It was so pretty, and like I let Doja like sniff her, and she was so pretty. She was all black. Um, so yeah.
Wanna make this easy, but I can really talk when you feel like a stranger. I can't brush it off. You want me to come over, but I still feel it all. You're in every room. I know that there are some things that are better left unsaid.
Sit, sit. Nope. Sit, sit, sit.
Where I am, but know where I'm coming from. Rewire my brain, the only way is up. I'm under. Whoa, I'm undone. Like I'm broken into pieces. Don't know where they are. Some days I wake up crying. Some days I just feel numb. But there's something about the flower that grows out of the mud. That dirty work that heals the hurt. There are some things that are better left unsaid. It ain't worth it.
I could not really vlog like that. It was 101 dogs out here, and it was hard for me to set up the tripod. There was a lot of people. People kept coming up, so I was just like. And then she wants to knock down the camera and tripod because she don't know that I'm a YouTuber. You want more water? You want more? You can have more. So yeah, I vlogged what I could. So yeah, now we are on our way back home. It's 11:53, and yeah, I'm ready to go. It feels so much later. Hey you guys, so I am back home now, and I just wanted to hop on here real fast to end the vlog. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here because tomorrow is Sunday and I want to film a Sunday reset video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm really sorry for leaving y'all on red. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, stick around for more. Bye.